guys, welcome to last day भन्छ ल कि भन्दैन
Last day के भन्नु?
so welcome to the returning day
Last vlog in Bali.
last vlog in Bali बालीमा पनि के भने यही होटलबाट हो अब सिधै हामी एयरपोर्ट जाने हो so welcome to the returning vlog so yes morning
Hey, good morning. How are you?
good how are you ल हामी चाहिँ अहिले खास ब्रेकफास्ट खान जान लाग्यो ए होटलकै रेस्टुरेन्टमा अनि अहिले चाहिँ बिहानको 8 बजिरहेको छ हाम्रो फ्लाइट छ 11:30 को 2 घण्टा अगाडि पुग्नुपर्छ भनेर अनि हामी चाहिँ यहाँबाट 9:30 बजे निस्किन्छौँ एयरपोर्ट नजिकै छ 5 मिनट होला ड्राइभिङ डिस्टेन्स 9:30 मा निस्किन्छौँ यहाँबाट अनि हामीलाई छोड्न चाहिँ हाम्रै आफ्नै प्यारो कारा हो कि के हो नाम पनि ड्राइभर त आउँदै हुनुहुन्छ त्यो अब 9:30 मा हिँड्छौँ यहाँबाट 11:30 को फ्लाइट छ अनि उहाँको ल्यान्डिङ 3:30 3:40 मा छ गुड मर्निङ हाउ आर यु
Good.
गुड
You're going home today?
या वी गोइङ होम टुडे
What time from here?
11:30 flight so we'll be leaving here at 9:30
Oh, 9:30. Oh,
Yeah.
you still have time for breakfast.
yeah we still have that's why we are here brother yeah भनेपछि अब 7 days in Bali was the first international tour पनि अनि best पनि we had an amazing time अनि we met some amazing friends अनि हाम्रो चाहिँ विशेषता के भन्दाखेरि जहाँ गए पनि साथी बनाउँछौँ हामी लिटरली जहाँ गए पनि अब हल्ला गर्ने हुन्छ कि कुरा गर्ने हुन्छ कि फोटो खिच्दिने हुन्छ कि मान्छेको क्यामेरा लिएर आफै लिएर भिडियो खिच्ने हुन्छ कि हामीले वी हेभ डन एभ्रिथिङ अनि इट्स नट लाइक त्यो रुड वेमा ऊ भएर चाहिँ होइन तर फ्रेन्डली वेमा अनि अल द पिपल इन बाली आर सो फ्रेन्डली लास्टै रमाइलो भयो अनि आई गेस वी एडेड च्याप्टर इन लाइफ एउटा मेमोरी च्याप्टर एड गरे जस्तो लाग्छ इट वाज सो फन अनि सेकेन्ड टाइम आइन्छ होला प्रोबाब्ली के भन्नु छ के भन न मेट
See you in Darwin.
See you in Darwin.
कति छ या द्याट्स प्रिटी मच इट रमाइलो भयो सबै कुराहरू एक दुईवटा अब नराम्रो इभेन्ट त भयो तर त्योभन्दा बढी चाहिँ धेरै नै राम्रो इभेन्टहरू भयो
Okay, thank you very much.
थ्याङ्क यू सो मच फर सर्भिस
Okay, don't forget you tell the other friend.
या for sure brother we will tell everyone
You tell them stay here.
yeah
Okay.
sure alright thank you
Okay,
Susma
Bali Bagus.
Bali Bagus brother thank you alright
Good.
we just checked out the hotel and our Guruji is already here we are on the way to the airport everything is packed up so brother so we are together for last 4-5 days right
Yep.
so what do you like about these guys
These guys, can't tell.
you need to tell brother I'm recording
Can't tell.
you need to
Yeah, you guys, you're awesome. You know, you're very good. You know, you're easygoing. You know,
no demands
humanity.
Yeah.
You know, be nice with people. Oh, can tell. You know. Yeah, I learn from you guys.
you serious or you joking
I'm serious.
serious
Yeah.
not just for the video
Now you think how old am I?
you are 20 plus
No,
brother
no time for joke, no, brother. Well, if joke is joking, but it's true.
yeah
Yes, your brother. So you're very guy. Yeah, you're very good and nice. You know, and easygoing.
Yeah.
This is the most thing. Easygoing. Go. Okay. And
thank you brother
Yeah.
so he is so nice to us that he said that he won't take the fare for dropping us to the airport
yep.
yeah
Yep.
and he also said that he might cry while
So
no brother so we spent a good time together like a family and friends it was nice being here and it was nice being with you brother
Yeah, you help us a lot, you know.
yes brother thanks for helping us
sure,
thanks for
it's
making
my
the-
job.
And next time you come, we'll call you. For sure.
yeah we'll call you for
Sure.
sure
Don't worry about that.
we'll come For sure, brother.
Yep.
And we will again tour together. But next time we will go to the east side maybe.
Jaffa.
The other side, Jaffa side.
Jaffa side. Yeah, so I very grateful with you guys. Okay, I'm very happy
Thank you,
that you
brother.
give me Jaffa, even not actually job, but you make me as a friend, you know.
Yeah.
So thank you for nice lunch and hire me for 5 days with it's good.
Now we hired you because you were worth it, brother. Because you know, like, yeah.
So we go inside from here, brother?
Sorry.
You drop us here.
Yeah.
All right. We are here at the airport.
And so you go back to Jakarta or directly to Australia?
Directly
No,
to Australia,
Right to
brother.
Australia,
Yeah,
brother.
because if you go to Jakarta and then I have to drop you to the local.
No, we're going to Australia, brother.
Okay, then international.
Brother.
Yeah.
So thanks for your time and everything.
Yes,
And
my
then
pleasure.
very
My
much,
pleasure.
brother.
Yeah, my
we
pleasure.
wanted to meet your children and your wife as well. We wanted to visit your home as well, but we didn't have
Yeah.
enough time. And
Next
your,
time we
your
come.
your young daughter is so cute. So we could not buy anything. We just have something for you.
No,
No, brother.
No, this I
That's
said.
not for
If
you.
you-
No.
That's
That's
for
not
your
for you.
daughter and your son. Don't forget to buy some gifts from our side for them. We serious, brother. So you will buy some gift for your younger daughter, elder daughter, and your son. The trip is free. We're not paying for the trip, brother. We are paying some gifts for your family because we could not buy anything. We wanted to meet your family. We could not meet your family. So if you can buy something for your family from this money, that's
Yeah.
fine. It
Okay,
was
brother.
nice.
Thank you so much.
We made a new family, new friend in Bali.
Yeah.
Next time we will come for sure and we'll meet you for sure.
And
Yeah.
we'll go visit your family as well.
Yeah.
next time.
Right,
Thank you
that
so
was the
much.
time. That was Mr.
Karya.
Karya.
Our Guruji, and we will meet him maybe next year, maybe after 2 years, but we will meet him for sure. Until then, bye, peace. I'm just my bed, so thank you, brother.
Guruji.
Guruji,
Guruji.
Ajud,
Ajud.
Guruji, Ajud,
Ajud.
Kitsa,
Tikcha.
Tiksa, yeah, like so, bye. So guys, airport आएर check in भएर boarding ticket लिइसक्यो. All set to go to Darwin अनि back to work, back to everything, back to the normal life. Vacation सकियो अनि हाम्रो ड्राइभर दाइ गुरुजी चाहिँ वाज अन्टिल द लास्ट वेभ लास्टसम्म बसिरहेको थियो बिचरा हामीलाई हेरेर लास्टमा आएर मलाई त यार है त्यो लास्ट त्यो यति मान्छे सानो भएर नदेखिन्जेलसम्म त्यहीँ बसेर दुइटै हात बाइक गरेको थियो आइम प्रिटी स्योर हि इज ह्याप्पी विथ अस अनि वी आर अल्सो ह्याप्पी विथ हिम अल द सर्भिसेस हि गेभ अस हि वाज रियली फ्रेन्डली है लास्ट रमाइलो भयो त्यो गुरुजीसँग अरू के भन्नु छ बगुस बाली चाहिँ बगुसै भएन भन्दै राइट अन्टिल नेक्स्ट टाइम बाली बगुस बाली सी यू अन्टिल नेक्स्ट टाइम ए केटाहरू आयो केटाहरू केटा हो के चाहिँ केटा हो ओम सस्ते अस्तु अस्ट्रेलिया कहाँ बगुस हुनु ल गाइज केटाहरू लिन आउँछन् हामी अब घरतिर लाग्छौँ अब ब्याक टु द नर्मल डेज ब्याक टु द रेगुलर लाइफ अब घर गएर रेस्ट हुन्छ होला खासै केही पनि छैन होला सो आइल सी यु लेटर मेबी प्लान चाहिँ भयो त यो ल सी यु लेटर के छ केटाकेटी हो ल ब्याक टु डार्विन अनि हामी त्यसपछि डार्विन आएर फ्रेस भएर सामानहरू अनप्याक गरेर खाजा खाना गएर सामान किनेर आइसक्यो नयाँ गोप्रो हिरो 9 माइट्स रिच किड्स एउटा गोप्रो हरायो अर्को गोप्रो आउँछ ल अब भ्लग सकेको थिएन त्यही भएर मात्र भिडियो खोलेको द्याट्स अल फर द भ्लग अब
ए यो बाली भ्लग हाम्रो सक्यो
बाली सिरिज सक्यो हेलो
ल ल
बाली बाली सिरिज सक्यो आई होप यु गाइज लाइक द ब्लग आई होप यु गाइज लाइक द ब्लग अब नेक्स्ट भिडियो कहिले आउँछ कुन आउँछ के आउँछ थाहा छैन चाँडै नै आउँछ जस्ट स्टे अपडेटेड स्टे ट्युन्ड पिस